abashaho kugamba ahantu harayo kujerana nuba abantu bakire bukozesebwa ebikuyamba bakazi obutajerana baheza kuzara ebikwate ebi byahebwa yaba Rotary Club of Mbara Ranchers bakwatanisana n'ebitongore bindi Enka Medical Teams International, Mbara Hospital na Ebosaco Financial Services.
For the country, the burden of postpartum hemorrhage is estimated to be 12%, 9 to 12%. But of course, that's for the cases that have been assessed. But we cannot exactly quantify the amount because some of the bleeding may be happening outside the hospital.
Nikiyamba omukazi owamala kuzaara abakwa kuzaara health center nikishokinga omubiri so that she reducing blood flow paka hara ishire referral so kwa kwika referral bihawe chawe cha health center then referral gake bajweke chawe then she reducing kujwa omukazi yamara kuzaara so it's mainly saving amagara omukazi.
So the total estimate cost of this project is about 33 million Uganda shillings. So this includes the training of the medics who are going to handle the garments, and then to ensure that the training and then the usage is up to date.
Ebikwate byahebwayo nebiza kuhwera amarwariro 16 agari omukyanga kya Ankole agari mu Mbara Regional Referral Hospital n'agandi.
When there is a case of postpartum hemorrhage, wrap a nut shock garment such that you have time, such that you have someone to resuscitate. Otherwise, if you don't start with the first aid, then you won't have someone to resuscitate. So I really want to thank you for this contribution.
I've counted over 16 districts that are benefiting, over 40 facilities that are benefiting. This is a huge milestone. I'm looking at how valuable each single item is.
Amarwara garukuza kuganyirwa omu bikwate byahebwayo gari mu districts za Isinjiro, Kamwenge, Chikube, Chegegwa, Shema, Mbara City, Mbara District, Bushenyi, Duampara, Chiruhura, Ntungamo, Kazo, Rubirizi, Bohweje hamwe na Ibanda. Gasha kwa Sengendo Abdukarim.
Effectively and protect it jealously.